Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Shark Carpet Xpert and using it for the first time. But first, if you get value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this. My goal with this channel and with the blog CastleRemodel.com is to help you turn your home into your own private sanctuary. Now let's get to the unboxing. I'll put links in the description below for you to check out everything that I'm using in this video. They are affiliate links, which means that I do get a small commission from the sale if you purchase, but you won't be paying any extra. First thing I notice is that on the inside flap of this box is labeled on a quick start guide. So it looks like it's going to be important for us to save the box, at least to get started in figuring out how to use this. I want to quickly unbox this so we could get a closer look at what's inside. What we need to do is set it up, and for starters we're going to put the handle on. So to do that, you just slide it straight down, lined up in this direction where it's sloped forward. And now, to put the hose on, oh, and one thing that I really like about this is it has this tray that you can keep in your closet so that when you have it sitting, it's not going to leak on your floor at all. It'll leak on the tray if it does. That's really nice. It's going into this port in the back, and as you can see there are two tabs you will squeeze. This is the port on the back of it where the hose is going to go, and to do so I am turning it at an angle so that where this curved edge is, there's actually a little hole for the tube to go into. So as I'm squeezing the tabs, I'm also pushing forward and lining up that hole, and they pop right in and it fits in there. And then get the cord out of the way, pop it in right there, and then on this side here it has a spot for that to hold on to. This is the Shark Carpet Xpert, all set up and out of the box. It comes with this mat that sits in the closet or wherever you want to store it, and what that does is it keeps it from leaking, so it will sit right on there and not roll around, and if any drips come out of here, then it's just going to go right onto the mat that can be easily cleaned up. The other thing that's nice about it is it has these little holsters for two of these carpet attachments. So you can put those on there and keep them with the unit. And then there's one more carpet attachment right here. This is for deep cleaning, where it has this extra container, like a jar, hooked up on it. The cool thing about one of the reasons why I chose this model is because the carpet cleaner, you can fill it up with other types of cleaner. It does say use only the Oxy multiplier, but I'm going to show you how to make your own carpet cleaner. It comes with 2 bottles of each. This one is the deep clean, and that's the one that's going to go into this nozzle head that attaches to the hose. But first, what we're going to do is I will show you how to mix up some of your own carpet cleaner from home to help save a little money and use it in this Shark Carpet Xpert. I'm going to be mixing up some carpet cleaner, and to do that I'm just going to use OxiClean and water. That's all we need. First, the scoop that comes with the OxiClean, it has different lines on it, and we're going to fill it to the line that's marked number 1 right here. So that's line number 1. It's really low, and I am going to dump it in, and the ratio is 16 ounces of water. I want the water to be a little warm so that the OxiClean dissolves correctly. It doesn't need to be super hot. Vacuuming the room before I use the carpet cleaner. This is just to pick up any loose debris that might be on the floor, and this will help make it clean a lot better without having any kind of debris on the floor. The max fill line is right up here. It says deep clean mode, and then this side is the quick dry mode. So to change that, you'll hit this mode select. At this point, I'm beginning to notice dirty water loading up in the bottom tank, and so that means that the top tank is starting to empty out, going through the carpet and getting dirty down below. The clean water reservoir is getting empty, so now it's time for me to fill it up again. It's making a different noise than the normal noise because the dirty water reservoir is at its maximum. I had trouble putting the reservoir back in, and that's why it wasn't turning on correctly. So I had to snap it back in to get it working again. Here I'm testing out the wand. You can spot treat different locations by pulling the trigger, and it will shoot some liquid out. The attachments slide on and off easily, and it seems to be doing a really good job. All you do is you squeeze the trigger and pull towards you, and it does the work for you. It's really simple and easy to use. You don't have to pull the trigger. If you don't pull the trigger, it will just vacuum, and if you do pull the trigger, it will release water and some of the cleaning solution to clean the location that you're working on. This blue lever right here at the bottom is how you switch from vacuum to wand and back. So now that I am putting the wand away, I switch the lever back up, and I can use it as a vacuum if I'd like to now. And that's how you set up and use the Carpet Xpert by Shark. Overall, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. It's easy to use. I really like the way the tanks are removable and you would be able to put other types of solutions, cleaning solutions in there. You're not limited to just Shark brand cleaning solutions, but there is a little bit of room for improvement. All in all, I really like the product, and if you want to check it out, hit that link in the description down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so you can see more videos like this. And make sure you subscribe, because here at Kev's Castle, I'm here to help you create your castle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.